lot of times on these slot machines they get hung up, and you have to reset them. You'll get an error code, and I'm going to show you how we reset it when it gets hung up. Okay. First of all, we're going to see if we can win. Maximum bet. Oh, come on, come on. Lemon. Okay. All right. All right, 110. This is where that 10. That's where you're gonna get your area code. Okay. This thing will light up when you hit it. Now if you want to cash out your coin, just press this button right here. We have 10 coin. Alright, now. Yeah, it's showing the arrow code. Alright. So we're going to show you how we're going to fix it. Okay, our machine needs to be reset. E4 code, lights are flashing. So this is how we reset it. Take the key and turn it to the left. Sometimes that'll work, but it didn't. Alright, now we're going to open the machine. Okay, now we have the machine open. What we're going to do is turn this reset key to the right, which would be off. I mean on, rather. Turn it to the on position. Okay. I'm going to turn the machine back on. Okay. Now, let's see. That might have done it. I'm going to turn this back. Left. Okay. Close the machine. Let's see what we got. Nope. Okay, we still having a 1 on here. So that didn't do it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to hold down this key and turn our other inside key at the same time, and that should do it. I can't do it and hold this camera at the same time. So, okay, here's what we did. We turned this key to the left. Oh, it was automatically off. I'm sorry. We turned it to the right. All right. And with the machine on, we hold down the spin key right here. You hold that down and you simply turn this to the left. Turn that to the left all the while the power's on. Now let's see if we've got it. Take the keys off. All right. Yes, sir. working. Let me load a few coins in. This is a quick way to load coins in. You just get a bunch of coins, stick it on there, and you just go in and out like that. See if we can hit it. Lemon. 7. Nothing. Betting 3 coins each time. Nothing. Okay, we got a free spin. Seven. Okay, we won 10. Okay. Machine's working. We're gonna cash it out. Let's see. It's gotta spin. Cast it out. And the machine's working. Now this thing will light up and go crazy. If you have a machine, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you hit 3 7s, and it'll pump out all the coins in it. It's got a bunch of coins that's in it. I have a pile of these coins in there. So, she's working. How we do it here? Reset our slot machine.